turn paper into magic. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel VJFamilyCrafts. Today we are going to learn shuriken ninja style. Stay with me till the end. Without any delay, let's get started. First you need 2 origami paper. Let's make this together. Now we have a square paper. Fold it half. Open it back. Fold these 2 papers into half and fold it like this. Fold the paper again like that. Fold the left side down. Fold the right side up. Go to the back of it. And fold the paper like this. Fold the paper like this. Fold the paper like this, then fold it like this. Now let's make the other one same like this one. left side up. Fold the right side down. Now go to the back of it. Fold the paper like this. Now open it back. Take the pink one, then put it like the front way. Put it on the. Now make an X mark like this. Open this one, put it in there. Like this. Now you have two of these like this. Fold this one. Now go to the back one. Go to the back one and you have a line out there. Put this one inside there. Now it's done. Our shuriken ninja star is ready. Isn't that was simple and easy? This is the shuriken ninja stars. Fly so cool. Let's try this. Let's try this outside. That was so cool. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more crafts. See you in the next video. Bye bye, tata.